Check out this 2023 Four Winns HD5 offered here by SkipperBud's, Lake St. Clair. This boat's currently in our showroom at Belmar Harbor. This boat is powered by a 6.2 liter Mercury 300 horse inboard outboard. This owner did install a Sideshift Stern Thruster. This boat has a very nice lounge pad on the stern with a flip back seat for forward and aft facing seating. You do have a table mount here as well as a table mount in the bow. For a 25-foot boat, it's got a ton of seating capacity from the bow all the way to the stern. Does have a head. Simrad GPS, Simrad digital display for the Mercury. Does have active trim. Very nice one owner boat. Call or email for more information or to schedule a showing.